Did you know that by age 35, two-thirds of men will experience some degree of hair loss? It's true, and it's not just men. Women are affected too. Hair loss can be incredibly distressing. It impacts self-esteem and confidence. We all dream of having luscious, voluminous hair. It's no secret that our hair plays a big role in our self-image, but over time, factors like stress, aging, and even genetics can take a toll on our hair. I've always been someone who prefers natural solutions. I'm cautious about putting harsh chemicals on my body, especially my hair. So when I started noticing my hair thinning, I knew I wanted to find a natural approach. Let's face it, dealing with thinning hair can be incredibly frustrating. You see more strands in your brush, in the shower drain, and maybe even on your pillow. It's perfectly normal to feel a little panicked. Believe me, I've been there. And you're not alone in this journey. Millions of people around the world, both men and women, experience hair loss or thinning at some point in their lives. It can be caused by a variety of factors like genetics, hormonal changes, stress, nutritional deficiencies, and even certain medical conditions. The impact of hair loss often goes beyond just physical appearance. It can significantly affect our self-esteem and confidence. Our hair is often seen as a part of our identity, and when it starts to thin, we might feel like we're losing a bit of ourselves. For centuries, cultures worldwide have relied on the power of nature to address hair concerns. From ancient Ayurvedic practices in India to traditional Chinese medicine, natural ingredients have played a vital role in hair care routines. These time-tested remedies often utilize readily available ingredients found in our kitchens or gardens. Think about ingredients like coconut oil, aloe vera, onion juice, and even eggs. These natural powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and promote hair growth. The allure of these home remedies lies not only in their natural approach, but also in their affordability and accessibility. Unlike expensive hair treatments or products that can contain harsh chemicals, natural remedies offer a gentler alternative. They're easy to make at home, using ingredients you may already have on hand. Plus, there's something incredibly empowering about taking control of your hair health using natural solutions. Now, it's important to remember that while home remedies can be effective, they're not a magical overnight solution. Hair growth is a complex process, and it takes time and consistency to see noticeable results. But beyond just promoting hair growth, these remedies can also improve the overall health of your hair. They can nourish the scalp, add shine, reduce breakage, and leave your hair feeling softer and more manageable. So if you're struggling with thinning hair, don't despair. Embrace the journey of exploring natural solutions. You might be surprised by the results. Let's start with a remedy that sparked a lot of curiosity, and let's be honest, a few laughs too: onion juice. I know, the smell isn't exactly appealing, but trust me on this one. Onion juice is a surprisingly potent source of sulfur, a mineral that's crucial for hair growth. Sulfur helps in the production of collagen, which strengthens hair follicles and promotes hair growth. So, how did I incorporate this pungent potion into my hair care routine? First, I blended a small onion and extracted the juice using a cheesecloth. Then, I applied the juice directly to my scalp, massaging it gently for a few minutes. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: the smell. Yes, it's quite strong. To combat the oniony aroma, I added a few drops of rosemary essential oil to the juice. Rosemary not only has a pleasant scent, but also promotes hair growth. I left the onion juice on my scalp for about 30 minutes before rinsing it out thoroughly with a gentle shampoo. Did it work? Well, let's just say the results were surprisingly positive. Next up, we have a beloved ingredient in the natural hair care world: coconut oil. This versatile oil has been used for centuries in hair care, and for good reason. Coconut oil is rich in fatty acids that penetrate the hair shaft, moisturizing it from the inside out. It helps reduce protein loss, which is essential for preventing breakage and promoting hair growth. I've always been a fan of coconut oil for my skin, so I was excited to see how it would work for my hair. I opted for a simple overnight treatment. Before bed, I warmed up a tablespoon of organic coconut oil and massaged it gently into my scalp and hair, focusing on the ends. I then covered my hair with a shower cap and drifted off to sleep. The next morning, I washed my hair as usual. The coconut oil left my hair feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and manageable. It definitely added a healthy shine, which I loved. While I didn't notice a significant change in hair thickness from this treatment alone, I believe it played a supporting role in improving my hair's overall health. Aloe vera, often hailed as a miracle plant, is another ingredient I was eager to try. Known for its soothing and healing properties, aloe vera is a powerhouse of vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants. It's believed to help balance the scalp's pH level, reduce inflammation, and promote hair growth. I used fresh aloe vera gel extracted directly from the plant. I applied the gel to my scalp and hair, massaging it gently for a few minutes. Then, I let it sit for about an hour before rinsing it out with cool water. The aloe vera treatment left my scalp feeling refreshed and soothed. It also added a subtle shine to my hair and made it incredibly soft. Finally, let's talk about the egg mask, a classic home remedy that's been passed down through generations. Eggs are packed with protein, biotin, and other essential nutrients that are crucial for hair health. Protein helps strengthen hair strands, while biotin is known to promote hair growth. I'll admit I was a bit skeptical about this one. The thought of putting raw eggs in my hair wasn't exactly appealing, but I decided to give it a try. I whisked 2 eggs together and applied the mixture to my damp hair, focusing on the roots and scalp. Then, I covered my hair with a shower cap and left the mask on for about 30 minutes. Rinsing out the egg mask was a bit messy, and I made sure to use cool water to avoid cooking the eggs in my hair. Surprisingly, the egg mask didn't leave any unpleasant smell. In fact, my hair felt incredibly soft and smooth afterward. After weeks of diligently applying these home remedies, the moment of truth had arrived. I was excited, nervous, and incredibly curious to see if my efforts had paid off. Had my hair transformed into the thick, luscious mane of my dreams? Well, let's just say the results were a mixed bag, some surprising, some expected, and some a little underwhelming. But the most important thing was that I learned so much about natural hair care and the power of simple ingredients. Throughout this experiment, I made sure to document my progress with photos. Now, I'm ready to share those before and after shots with you, so you can see the results for yourself. Get ready for some surprising revelations. Let's start with the remedy that initially sparked the most skepticism: onion juice. Remember that pungent potion I told you about? Well, I have to admit, I was pleasantly surprised by the results. While I wasn't expecting miracles, the onion juice treatment did seem to have a positive effect on my hair. In the before picture, my hair looked a bit flat and lacked volume, especially at the roots. However, in the after picture, there's a noticeable difference. My hair appears thicker and fuller with more volume at the roots. Now I know what you're thinking. Was it really the onion juice, or was it just wishful thinking? While I can't say for certain that the onion juice was solely responsible for the change, I do believe it played a significant role. The sulfur in onion juice is known to promote collagen production, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Next up, let's talk about the coconut oil and aloe vera treatments. These remedies didn't necessarily make a dramatic difference in hair thickness, but they definitely improved my hair's overall health and appearance. In the before picture, my hair looks a bit dry and lacks shine. However, in the after picture, my hair appears much healthier. It's smoother, shinier, and more manageable. The coconut oil, with its moisturizing properties, definitely helped to hydrate my hair and reduce frizz. The aloe vera, known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, seemed to calm my scalp and add a healthy shine to my hair. While I didn't experience a significant change in hair thickness from these treatments alone, I believe they played a crucial role in creating a healthier environment for my hair to grow. Finally, let's address the egg mask, a classic home remedy that's often touted as a miracle hair growth solution. I was excited to try this one, but I have to admit, the results were a bit underwhelming. In the before and after pictures, there's minimal noticeable difference in my hair's thickness or volume. While the egg mask did leave my hair feeling incredibly soft and smooth, it didn't seem to have a significant impact on hair growth. Now, it's important to remember that everyone's hair is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Perhaps with more consistent use, the egg mask could yield more noticeable results. So after weeks of experimenting with these home remedies for thicker hair, what did I learn? Well, for starters, I discovered that natural ingredients can indeed play a role in hair health. While they might not offer overnight miracles, they can provide nourishment, strength, and shine to our hair. The journey itself was an adventure. From the pungent aroma of onion juice to the soothing sensation of aloe vera on my scalp, each remedy offered a unique sensory experience. I'll admit, there were moments of doubt, especially when I didn't see immediate results. But I reminded myself that hair growth is a gradual process, and patience is key. One of the most valuable lessons I learned was the importance of listening to my hair and scalp. What worked wonders for others might not have the same effect on me, and that's perfectly okay. It's all about finding what works best for your unique hair type and concerns. Throughout this experiment, I realized that consistency is just as important as the remedies themselves. Just like any other aspect of our health, hair care requires a holistic approach and consistent effort. While it's tempting to expect instant results, the reality is that hair growth takes time. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Think of it like nurturing a plant. You wouldn't expect a seed to sprout overnight, would you? Similarly, our hair follicles need time to receive nourishment, strengthen, and eventually produce new hair growth. I found that incorporating these home remedies into my weekly routine, rather than just trying them sporadically, yielded better results. While I was initially drawn to these home remedies for their potential to thicken my hair, I discovered that their benefits extend far beyond just hair growth. They became an integral part of my self-care routine, offering a moment of relaxation and rejuvenation amidst my busy schedule. I started looking forward to my weekly hair care rituals, using them as an opportunity to pamper myself and de-stress. The act of massaging my scalp with these natural ingredients felt incredibly therapeutic, relieving tension and promoting a sense of calm. Moreover, I found that using natural ingredients gave me peace of mind. I felt good knowing that I wasn't exposing my hair and scalp to harsh chemicals that could potentially cause more harm than good. As I continue my hair care journey, I'm eager to explore more natural remedies and incorporate them into my routine. The world of natural hair care is vast and fascinating, with endless possibilities to discover. I'm particularly interested in trying out herbal hair rinses, experimenting with different carrier oils for scalp massages, and exploring the benefits of essential oils for hair growth. This experiment has ignited a passion in me to embrace natural solutions, not just for my hair, but for my overall well-being. It's about making conscious choices that nourish my body from the inside out. So, there you have it, my personal journey into the world of home remedies for thicker hair. It's been an adventure filled with surprising discoveries, a few laughs along the way, and most importantly, valuable lessons learned. Remember, everyone's hair is unique, so what worked for me might not work the same way for you. But that's the beauty of exploring natural remedies. It's a journey of self-discovery. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried any home remedies for thicker hair? What were your experiences? Share your stories, tips, and even your hilarious mishaps in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can learn from each other and embrace the power of natural solutions. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and lifestyle tips inspired by nature. I'm passionate about sharing simple, effective, and affordable ways to enhance your well-being using natural ingredients and holistic practices. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming soon. Until next time, embrace the beauty of natural solutions and let your inner radiance shine through.